Microsoft Word and LibreOffice Writer are popular word processors. The core difference lies in licensing and ecosystem. Word is a paid proprietary software with deep Microsoft integration, while LibreOffice Writer is free and open source. Microsoft Word is a flagship word processor from Microsoft 365, widely used for professional and personal document creation. It offers a polished interface with advanced formatting, collaboration tools, and cloud integration via OneDrive. Word supports complex documents including tables, charts, and multimedia, making it ideal for business reports, academic papers, and creative projects. Its real-time co-authoring and extensive template library boost productivity. However, Word requires a subscription or one-time purchase, which can be a limitation for budget-conscious users. Compatibility with Microsoft's ecosystem ensures smooth performance across Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. The software also benefits from regular updates and robust support. Ideal users include professionals, students, and anyone needing reliable, feature-rich word processing with seamless collaboration and cloud access. LibreOffice Writer is a free, open-source word processor that is part of the LibreOffice suite. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating and editing documents with strong support for open standards like ODT, while also reading and saving Microsoft Word formats. Writer includes features such as styles, formatting, mail merge, and templates, catering to most document needs. Its offline functionality and no-cost license make it accessible for individuals and organizations, avoiding subscription fees. While it may lack some of Word's advanced collaboration and cloud integration features, LibreOffice Writer excels in customization and privacy. It runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux, appealing to users who prefer open-source software or require cross-platform flexibility. Ideal users are budget-conscious individuals, open-source advocates, and those who prioritize document control without ongoing costs. Microsoft Word offers superior cloud integration and collaboration, perfect for teams working on shared documents in real time. Its polished interface and extensive templates suit professional environments demanding advanced formatting and multimedia. However, it comes with subscription costs and relies heavily on Microsoft's ecosystem. LibreOffice Writer shines as a cost-free alternative with strong compatibility and offline use. It supports open formats and offers customization, but lacks seamless cloud collaboration and some advanced features. For example, a business needing frequent team editing and cloud storage benefits from Word, while a freelancer or student seeking a no-cost, privacy-focused tool may prefer LibreOffice Writer. The trade-off is between premium features and cost, with each serving different user priorities effectively. Choose Microsoft Word for professional-grade features, seamless cloud collaboration, and integration across devices, especially if you work in Microsoft's ecosystem regularly. LibreOffice Writer is the best choice if you want a powerful free word processor with open standards and offline access. It's perfect for those prioritizing cost savings and document control without sacrificing essential functionality. Both tools excel in their own right.